got another alien situation.
Yippity-dingle-doo!
This Mother's Day, oh my god! The Monster High gang learns a thing or two from their mummies. Always look your best. We look voltageous.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Indiana State Police. This is a civil danger warning for Hendricks and Morin counties. At 11:35 a.m., reports from these counties have issued an outbreak of a highly contagious virus. Some reports claim the outbreak started in several hospitals in Hendricks and Morin counties. Symptoms of this virus include loss of coordination, confusion, and eventually, certain death. Reports have also claimed that those infected have acted out in an extremely violent manner. Citizens are strongly advised to avoid anyone with these symptoms. At this time, these counties are under quarantine until further notice. As a safety precaution, nearby counties advise citizens to stay in their homes until the situation is dealt with. Monitor local media outlets for further information on this developing situation.
Introducing the new Nick app. This app is so fun, it's uncomfortable. It's jam-packed with radical awesomeness. I've been in here since Thursday. I'm starting to prune. Check it out at nick.com/app.
Lucky Charms!
Heart stars and horseshoes, clovers, red balloons, hourglasses, rainbows, and 6 new swirled moons.
Yum! Hey! Lucky Charms! Wow, 6 new moon charms!
Guys, this is
Magically delicious!
You're always after me, Lucky Charms. Woohoo! New 6 World Moon Charms, part of a good breakfast only in Lucky Charms cereal and chocolate Lucky Charms.
Very smooth and funky foam where happiness grew.